Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panu. Today I will teach you the topic of partial fraction, that is the part of integration. Okay, so to start this topic we can take an example. If we have to find the integration of this function like x plus 2 and x plus 3, okay, then we can use this method, and this method is very easy. So for starting it, first of all we write this function without the sign of integration, and we can write it in this form. Here we write a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3. Okay, now we take the LCM. Okay, we write here the first bracket in this way, a upon x plus 2, and the second one is b upon x plus 3. Okay, now we take the LCM as x plus 2 and x plus 3. We can write again the function of left hand side, and when we take the LCM, then we cancelling x plus 2 with x plus 2, and we can multiply x plus 3 with a. Okay, and you can write here a of x plus 3, and for the b we can cancel x plus 3 and we are left with x plus 2, and by multiplying it by b we get this equation. Students, you can easily say that we take these two brackets as our LCM, and by cross multiply in the simple way you can say that we getting our LCM, and by cancelling these two functions from the denominator we are left with 1 a x plus 3 plus b x plus 2. Students, we are given the name of this equation as star, and this equation is called as double star equation. Okay, now the next step is we put x plus 3 is equal to 0, then we get x is equal to minus 3. Okay, and you put the value of x in double star equation, and we have 1 is equal to a minus 3 plus 3 and b minus 3 plus 2. In this way we have our answer. Minus 3 plus 3 is 0, and we are left with minus 1. So in this way we have the value minus 1. Okay, now for the next step we put x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we have the value of x that is equal to minus 2. Okay, now we put this value in our double star equation, and we get a minus 2 plus 3, and for the b we get minus 2 plus 2, and we get here a 3 minus 2 is 1, and we get a is equal to 1. Okay, in this way we find our two values, that is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1. So students, by finding these values, after finding these values we put these values in our equation star. Okay, then what is the value of a? 1 and b is minus 1. So we put here in this way. You can write here in the place of a is 1, and we write here x plus 2, and in the place of b we can write here x plus 3, and on the left side we have this type of equation. Okay, when we take the integration, then we can write here x plus 2 and x plus 3 and dx, and we can take the integration of x plus 2. We can write here dx, and plus minus is minus, and we can take the integration of x plus 3. Okay ji. And now the integration 1 over x plus 2 is equal to log x plus 2, and here we get the integration log x plus 3, and we can put c in the end. And you know that the formula of log m minus log n, what is this? This is the log m upon n. Okay ji, because you know that the formula of log m minus log n, that is equal to log m upon n plus c. Okay, now so students, this is our first question of partial fraction. Now we move on our next type. This is our second type. In this type, if we have the function in this form, like we have x square in the numerator, okay, and we can write here x square plus 4 and x square plus 6. Okay, then we can write it in this form: a upon x square plus 4 and plus b upon x square plus 6. Okay, to avoid this problem, we can write it in this form. We can write x square is equal to y. In this way, our question will be very easy to solve. Okay, so first of all, we put y in the place of x square. We can write here y plus 4 and y plus 6. Okay, now we have to solve this equation, and to solve it we can write here a upon y plus 4 and b upon y plus 6. I repeat my step. If you find the question in this form, you have x square in all your function or x cube or anything else, then you can put the same variable in the form of y, and in this way we get our function in this form: y plus 4 y plus 6. Okay, and now we put it as a upon y plus 4 and b upon y plus 6. Okay, now how we can solve it? As we have done earlier, first of all we take the LCM as y plus 4 and y plus 6. Okay, cancelling y plus 4, we multiply y plus 6 with a in this way, and by cancelling a y plus 6 we can take a y plus 4. Okay students, and we write here y plus 4 and y plus 6. Okay ji. Now by cancelling the denominator in this way, you get your equation, that is y plus 6 and b y plus 4. Now as we have done earlier, put x plus 6 is equal to 0 and you get x is equal to minus 6. Okay, then put minus 6 in your above equation, and you can name it star or double star as we have done earlier, and you can solve it very easily, and we get minus 6 plus 6 is 0, and in the brace of we get only minus 2, and by cancelling by minus 6 minus 6 by minus 2, we get the value of b is equal to 3. So students, to find the value of a also, we put our another brace, that is y plus 4 is equal to 0, and we get y is equal to minus 4. In the same way, we put here a minus 4 instead of 6, and we get minus 4 a minus 4 plus 6, and within the b minus 4 plus 4 as we have done earlier. Then we get the value minus 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, and in the same way we get b as 0, and the value of a is minus 4 upon 2. By cancelling it we get the value minus 2. So now we have to put these two values of a and b in our question. Okay, so what is our question? The value of b is 3. I repeat, the value of b is 3 and the value of a is minus 2. Okay, now put it in our question. We have a upon what is the function? Yes, this is our function, a upon y plus 4 and b upon y plus 6. So students, we have to put these two values in this function, a upon y plus 4 and b upon y plus 6. Okay ji. Now we put the value of a, and the value of a we get here minus 2, and the value of b is 3. Okay, now we put the original value of y in the end, that is x square plus 4, and in this equation also we have the value x square plus 6, and you can write your original function here, x plus 4 and x square plus 6. Okay, and what is the above equation? That is y plus 4 and y plus 6. So students, when we take the integration on both sides, we can write here x square plus 4 and x square plus 6 dx, and when we take the integration of these two functions, so we can write here the sign of integration and the dx in the multiplication. Okay, now what is the integration of these two functions? Sorry, we write here x square. So students, you know the formula. What is the integration of these type of functions? The formula of 1 over x square plus a square is 1 over a tan inverse x over a plus c. Okay ji. Now what is the value of a here? You can write it as x square. We can write the 4 as 2 the square, and the value of 3, the second one is we can write the square root of 6. Okay, now we apply the formula, that is